totally honest, this has not been the best trip so far. So far we've had a flat tire, a blown tire on our camper, and we have spent $51 in fuel, getting 4 miles to the gallon to make it from Wisconsin to LaSalle. So I don't know what is going on, but 4 miles to the gallon. So 50 bucks just poof, up and gone in less than 100 miles, or in about 100 miles. So a little bit defeated here. What are you most looking forward to at Starved Rock once we get there?
The waterfalls.
The water? There's waterfalls at Starved Rock? Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. That'll be fun. I'm looking forward to having a campfire.
Yeah.
And maybe hot dogs.
And s'mores. S'mores.
Cool. S'mores. All right, we'll see what happens.
Hey.
Yeah. What?
And I'm just waiting to just pop up a camper and sleep in it.
Okay, that will be fun, won't it?
For 2 days.
So we'll see you at Starved Rock State Park, okay? All right. Bye.
The destination is on your left.
Oh, we made it to Starved Rock campsite, but gotta be honest, not that great. But it was, how much is it a night? $25 a night. Oh boy.
Whoa!
Kyle, why was it called Starved Rock? You remember the story Mom said? You don't? Okay, so the story goes that there was a Native American Indian who went to the top of the mountain seeking retribution for some of his enemies, and then they surrounded him at the bottom. So he stayed up at the top, hoping that perhaps they would come to him, and the legend goes that he starved to death up on Starved Rock. So there you go. I want to document our wonderful trip. Wow. Do you know what canyon we're in? French Canyon, that's right. Pretty cool, ain't it? Get up, Emmett. Alright, so Mom's going to give us a quick history lesson and tell us about the French Canyon.
I'm just reading what it says in the pamphlet. It says in 1673, French explorers Louis Joliet and Father Jacques Marquette passed through here on their way up to Illinois from the Mississippi. Known as Père, the French word for father, Marquette returned 2 years later to found the Mission of the Immaculate Conception, Illinois' first Christian mission.
So if any of you are planning on coming out to Starved Rock and walking the trails, cool, good for you. Just a forewarning, there's like a bazillion stairs. Stairs everywhere, stairs as far as the eye can see. So,
And a bazillion daddy long legs.
and a bazillion daddy long legs. How do you think they got all this wood out here to build these trails everywhere?
Probably 4-wheelers or trucks.
Four-wheelers and
Or
trucks?
helicopters.
Those are all my ideas. Just accepting my ideas because you don't want to talk about it?
No, I think there might be like work trucks.
Work trucks? Cool.
We'll flight for life.
Hi, Owen. Alright, so we've been walking and walking, and now we're coming up to the Eagle Cliff. We just passed the big hydro dam that's right through those trees. Wave, buddy. Coming up to Wildcat Canyon. I think this is the second of maybe 3 waterfalls. We're getting pretty close. Oh, that was super cool. That one was a lot of fun.
We found like 6 frogs. We saw like
Yep, 6
8
frogs,
chipmunks,
a waterfall.
and,
We
like,
got to
8
walk on
chipmunks.
some muddy logs, and everybody got their shoes soaking wet and muddy. Except for me. Mine are dry. Uh-oh. Now I know I said it once, but by the shininess, I think it bears repeating. If you come to Starved Rock, you will have stairs. Lots and lots of stairs. The family have unanimously voted that the day counts as leg day, right? Leg and cardio day. Woo-wee. The views are pretty awesome though. The views are definitely worth it. This is the upper end of the canyon that you're just at. So here we are at the top of Wildcat Canyon. Home again, and we will come back home, and we will come back home, home again. Yes, we will come back home, home again. Crazy speed of always needing more. No, no, you go home now. You cause trouble. Quit hitting yourself. Quit hitting yourself.